Singapore-born Indian origin Tharman Shanmugaratnam was today officially announced as a candidate for the prosperous city-states presidential election on September 1, along with two Chinese origin former business executives. Tharman, 66, former investment chief of state-owned company Nick Kok Song, 75, and former head of the state-run insurance company Tan Kin Lian, 75, were officially announced as candidates by the Elections Department for Singapore's highest but non-political post. As the three have been officially announced as candidates, they cannot pull out of the race without forfeiting their election deposits of SGD 40,500 each, according to a report by the Straits Times newspaper. The three men, each vying to become Singapore's 9th president, can officially begin campaigning, which will end on August 30th. The cooling off day is on August 31 and the polling day is on September 1. Singapore's incumbent president, Halimah Yacob's 6-year term will end on September 13th. In his speech after the nomination, Mr. Tharman, a former senior minister in the ruling People's Action Party government, said he looked forward to a dignified and honourable contest, focused on what each candidate brings to Singaporeans and what each of them brings to the country's future. Let us look forward to a campaigning which is dignified and honourable, and a campaign which itself seeks to unite Singaporeans and not divide us, he said. Mr. Tharman later told media that he was running for the presidency not on the basis of new positions or statements, but on the basis of a long-held purpose in his life. I believe in a fairer, more compassionate and more inclusive society, and my life is dedicated to that. Singapore can be special, the report quoted Mr. Tharman as saying. Tharman began his career as an economist and civil servant, primarily at the Monetary Authority of Singapore, before entering the political arena in 2001. During his time in politics, he held positions as the Minister for Education and Finance, as well as Deputy Prime Minister, serving from 2011 and 2019. Nag, who introduced himself in Chinese, Malay and Tamil, expressed his candidacy for the presidency as a means to safeguard Singapore's three key assets, its reserves, public service appointments and social stability. Tan voiced his aspirations to provide the people of Singapore with the opportunity to choose a president who remains truly impartial from the ruling government. He pledged to fulfill his constitutional responsibilities diligently, honestly and to the best of his ability if elected.